So January 8, 2023 is the tentative date of the exam as mentioned in NBA website. So will the exam be conducted as per the schedule? This is one of the questions which all the aspirants have. But be smart enough and start your preparation assuming that the exam is going to be on the same date, that is January 8th, 2023. If in case exam gets postponed due to any number of reasons, consider that additional time as bonus time. Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. It's been quite a while since we had a video on YouTube for the past 3 months, I suppose. Because of so many personal and professional challenges, I couldn't make it online. I really appreciate your understanding, and many of you have been messaging me like, what the hell happened to you? I'm all great now. So here I am, and let's restart our videos and other sessions as usual. So starting from October 1st, 2022, we're launching a new batch, Mission 90 towards NEET MDS 2023. We'll be providing you access to a new schedule with a customized test series, e-classes and study club discussions. And also for the first time in the history of our academy, we're providing you access to our study club at Telegram for free, irrespective of your registration status. So you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for further assistance or guidance in this regard, or you can even WhatsApp me at 9052674820 24/7. And before I conclude, please keep the following factors in mind, which I term them as success mantra. It's all about hard work, consistency, and most importantly, it's about belief in yourself. Wish you all the best. Love you all. Take care.